Hello everyone, welcome to Wylock 6th grade. This is another lesson. Today we'll be going in over this worksheet. Make sure to have this printed out or downloaded. It says find the missing numbers for your first part, missing addend. Something, so this number plus 91 plus 5,623 plus 911 equals 6630. So the strategy in solving here is to subtract all three of these into this, and then we get an equal sign, because once you subtract 91, this gets cancelled, but you have to do it to the other side. And that's our general plan on how we're going to be taking this. So let's actually do it. So subtract the biggest number first. So 5623, that's going to be 7, 0, 0, 1. 1007. That's gone. 911. You get 690. So it's just 96. 96 minus 91 is going to be 5. So this blank is equal to 5. Alright, let's go over this one. All these concepts are exactly the same, no matter which side of the equation they're on. 7,908. Anyway, so 7908, 7908, minus 376. You get 2, 3, this becomes 8, 5, and 7. It's the number 7532. What else here? Super simple. Solve the following exponents. So 10 to the negative third. 10, anything to the negative exponent, so 10 to the negative third is equal to 1 over 10 to the third. And if we solve this out, it's going to be 1 over 1,000. That's going to be our answer. Let's go over this one. 5 to the negative 8th. Actually, that's a little too much calculation without a calculator. 5 to the negative 4th. This is a little more simple, but exact same concept. 5 to the 4th, except it's going to be over 1 because the negative 4 was negative. So that's going to be equal to 1 over 625. If you want to ever divide that out, that's going to be any decimal number, but 1 over 625 is your official answer. And the last one, 2 to the negative 2, this is super simple. 1 over 2 squared. It's going to be 1/4 or 0.25. That's going to be your answer. Alright, writing the expression using exponents. Alright, we don't have to calculate this out, we just have to write it in exponents. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. There's 4 45s, and they're all being multiplied. So we're going to do 45 to the 4th. Super simple, just like that. Let's go over this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 4.75 to the 10th. Just like that. Super simple. This one, let's go over this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Negative 2.5 to the 7th. This one, negative 5. We don't even have to count it to the 5th because we can tell this is 5. There's 5 of them. It's going to be to the 5th. Alright. And that's the third section. And the last section is conversion. So it says convert the given measures to new units. If you have like a phone or an iPad, a tablet, anything at home with internet on Google, you can just simply go to Google and look up miles to yards. There we go. 1 mile to 1760 yards. Alright. 77 miles is how many yards? This is the calculation to do it. 77 miles times 1 mile, 1760 yards. 1760 yards per mile. 1 mile. So this gets canceled out. These two gets canceled out, and we're left with yards. It's gonna be super simple. Just have to take the conversion factor and multiply it so that the bottom would get canceled out, and we are left with yards, as we should be. 77 times 1700. If we look that up, 17,000 times 77. 1760, not 1700. Not bad. We get 133,520. I guess don't use a calculator. I'm doing it right now because I'm going over the answers and the solution. If you guys can, please do use just scratch paper and just multiply it all out. I'm writing this on a mouse right now, so it's kind of hard, but that's the general recommendation. Right here, 87 feet to yards. Okay, let's do this again. Feet to yards. 1 foot is 0.03 yards. Let's change this. 3 feet per yard. Okay. 87 feet. And if we wanted to cancel out this, cancel this out. If we put it on the top, that's not going to work because you can't cancel like this when you're multiplying. You got to cancel from here and here. Alright, now that we see 87 over 1. Okay, we can't cancel like this. We multiply like this. We have to cancel like this and like this. So, instead of having like this, we'll just flip it over. Because 3 foot over 1 yard is 1. Feet. Right. Now the feet cancel out, and you're left with 87 divided by 3. That's going to be 69. 69 yards. Wait, that doesn't make sense. Wait, 29. I'm a bit tired. 29 yards, if you do the calculation. 7 over 3. 29 yards. And right here, let's just do the last problem. 72 miles to yards. Actually, let's not do that problem since it's going to be a huge number. You guys should know the concept is the exact same as number 1. Let's do number 9. 29 yards to feet. 29 yards. We went over that 1 foot, 3 feet is equal to yard. 3 feet over a yard, so that this and this cancel out. So it becomes 29 times 3, which is gonna become 87 feet. If we look over here, hey, these two problems match up. 87 feet, 29 yard, 29 yard. That's gonna be the lesson for today. Have a good day. Thank you for listening.